Today it's the 9th of September 2021. We have Laajaniityntie and Bredängsvägen tjänstekeis here in Martinlaakso, Mortensdal. As Vantaa Västra, Vantaa Western, Vantaa Helsinki, Sportsvision, Uusi Monument, Finland with 6 floors. It's built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren. Its number is VS 2058. Because these 3 persons of 2.5 grams. It turned 50 years old in last year, 2020. Besides, of course, the rights.
Yeah.
Because these are actually completely locked off, not even recorded.
Yeah.
We have been to the Stickies G here, definitely. But then we have still 5 more later. I think we can go to Stickies F right now.
Yeah.
As it is standing open.
Yeah.
They're doing renovation works here at the moment.
Yeah.
When the Stickies A, B and C are still completely closed at the moment. But we can check later.
Expected documents that maintained by police.
Yeah. These are like... They're really similar to the ones in Nokia I filmed recently, except in Nokia they have memory even.
Yeah.
I built 1970. That's pretty advanced. And fast. So with 2 speed and 6 floors only. And those are in Nokia.
Yeah.
I think there are still 2 of them that are almost identical. I haven't filmed yet, but I think they're locked. I'm gonna get there later. And that's it.
That's